Guys, so this is Eid and I'm making the sugar free. So I made this actually with monk fruit. This is the monk fruit shawarma. This is the normal shawarma. That is the mutton curry. And this is the setup for today. So this is for naan. This is some eclair, mini eclair. And I made these sandwiches. So this is how it looks for the table. And now these are for the shawarma and I'm actually going to top it with these. I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, and these are 3 different types of sandwiches actually. 1, 2 and 3 different types. And this is how my Eid setup looks so far. And I'll show you guys how it looks. So this is the normal shawarma that I've already made. And that's everyone. Show me your mehendi. Wow.
Not Mandy is tattoo.
Yeah, so it's tattoo because it's not allowed in school. Yeah?
But there's no factory only.
Talking about.
Pay attention to me.
This is how it looks.
I'm Mrs. Hobbs, and I'm going to ask you a series of questions.
The
And if I like the
shawarma.
answers, I might just give you the job of being cat sitter to my George.
What's that?
Don't touch. And Aaron is sitting there and watching the pizza getting made. Wow, Aaron, are you enjoying? See?
He can do a ribbon and he can touch it.
Yeah, see now he's putting all the stuff in it. Wow. Fun watching the pizza getting made. You just put your pizza in the oven. Wow. Aaron.
Mum.
Now he's going to cut it. Wow. Yes, you can have everything, Aaron. Hey guys, so we are waiting for Aaron's bus. Today is Saturday and today Aaron has school. So that is Aaron's bus there. It is coming. And Aaron is here waiting for her bus. Oh, that's not your bus. That is some other bus. It will come, don't worry. That's not your bus.
You're just joking.
I know, right? Hi guys, so we have come here to this place called The Nest. So it's at Malabar Hill and it's got all the plants if you see. So if you see, these are all the zones that they have. Nectar plants, host plants, aquatic, medicinal. So this is the medicinal zone.
And you
And-
only have to smell it.
Yeah, jasmine and many more. Sapari plant, so many of them.
Jasmine, like Jasmine's princess.
Yeah, can you smell it? The flowers are not there right now. So these are. This is another zone. I forgot what zone is this. This is aromatic zone. These have all the plants that smell good.
Look, you can see these ones.
Yeah. All these plants. 1 minute, Advin. This plant is also called something. And then this plant over here is...
Guys, you know this is...
Look at this jackfruits. Look at this whole plant. They have jackfruits on it.
Jackfruit.
Yeah. Now here we have semi-aquatic zone and then this is the water running. And if you see, the water is falling from there. And they have this beautiful thing made where the water goes by, and the plants that are semi-aquatic are like put up on the side. Beautiful plants. Some more. See, look here, some more jackfruits. Huge ones.
Where?
Here, this plant right in the front.
Yo.
Yeah. Are you enjoying or no, Amira?
Yes,
Look, there's another fountain there also, and here also, and there also. Spot a frog also here, and see, it's going under this tiny bridge. The water, so cool. Huh?
That's a frog.
You know, you have to spot it. You might find it. Maybe when we come during the rains, you might find it. So cool. So now the aquatic zone is getting over. And then that was the bamboo plants was the carbon zone or something like that. Carbon sinking zone. And now we've come again on the herbs. This is Kari Patta, double tagger, which has like loads of flowers on it. The bougainvillea here. And huh?
What's this?
That's just a flower tree.
No.
The trunk of the tree. See, there's a lot of bougainvillea here.
I think it's wood.
Yeah. Come, let's go.
It's a dried wood. I think.
These looks like frangipani, but I don't know where is it labeled. But these, look at this plant. How these more frangipani.
What's up?
And again, loads and lots of flowering plants here.
My cutie.
Come, let's go ahead.
She's not feeling good.
Okay, fine, let's go.
Where?
See, this is called amboli.
Amboli.
Come on, let's go ahead.
It's like a moli.
Yes, come on, go ahead. This is butterfly zone because there are a lot of flowers here. So there may be a lot of butterflies.
Always come here.
Yeah. These are the plants that have, I think these are the vegetable plants because they are sweet potatoes. And this is the banana. I don't know if you can see the banana. Where is the banana? There was bananas. Oh yeah, they were up here. If you can see the bananas. Then there is ginger. This is arbi. This is, and then this is ginger plant.
But you know these people live here.
And then those were spinach on that patch. This also could be something. I don't know where it is labeled. This is again fanas. That's the... Come, let's go ahead.
Mama, do you know
And then this is Kari Patta. These plants are for curry. Huh? Yes. This is sabudana plants here. Kali Meri. So this is the black pepper plant here. If you can see this. And all spices are put up here. These are all spices. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Limbu. This is a lemon plant, but unfortunately there are no limbu on this plant. You cannot find any lemon.
Mama, come here. Can you see these tiny
Then these plants are shatavari and amba. Oh, what is this? This is also something. Sweet potato, the purple color sweet potato. See, the plants are purple, so when you dig in, the sweet potato is also going to be purple in color. Yes, inside the ground.
They are real.
Yes, obviously they're all real.
What? Can you see this one? You see this? Sweet potato.
You having fun? Hmm?